It's a week before SEMA and we're heading to Vegas. Danny and I are gonna go there early so we can set up the booth. This is gonna be an exciting episode. We're gonna show you all the ins and outs of being an exhibitor at SEMA. This is what we do when we're waiting for our crates to come. What's up everyone? Today is setup day for SEMA 2022. We got 2 days to complete our booth. And once we do, we're ready to get the cars rolling in here. So we're gonna document this for you guys to see what happens behind the scenes. Oh.
Top 2 are long. Give me 2 long ones.
Combine.
Yeah.
We're about halfway completing our booth.
I need a nut boy.
I'll give you a nut.
Where's that report? Ross.
Ah.
How am I gonna put a wing nut on this? There's no space.
You want a smaller one?
Hey Alex, remember when you said you had this? He's not even here.
Remember when you said you were gonna help us? Alright, day 1 Saturday complete. All we gotta do now is wait for the cars, but I believe we are officially done with our booth build. Not too shabby, huh?
Yo, what up? Good morning. Day 1 SEMA.
First day, of course. We're almost late. SEMA's actually packed this year. It's up 30%. They're expecting 170,000 people. A lot more packed than last year. You could already tell by just walking around the first day at this time. It wasn't like this last year. Look at that Supra. If I was a multi-millionaire, I could go broke here in like over an hour.
Alex bringing the 720. We're gonna load it up into our booth right now. Got a couple cars to roll in. Get the show started. And welcome to our booth.
Bye. Pretty cool.
It's our second year doing this. It's amazing. The crowd is amazing. People are loving the cars. People are loving the booth. Alex is a celebrity. Everyone's coming up to him, getting his autograph, photos, and he loves it. Loves the attention.
This is the guy to come to if you have a high-end exotic and you wanted to get pimped out. You come here. You come here. Don't go to the other guys. They're has-beens. Come this guy here. I let him take care of you. Hey, this is Joe Britt. Got you racing.
So far, it's been pretty crazy. We've been having a lot of fun. A lot of people are finally getting to meet Alex. He's about to go do donuts at the Burn Yard right now with Hoonigans, right?
I'm just looking because last time we caught something on fire.
Safety wire, some wire from somebody?
Yeah, if we can get a little piece of wire. I think it's dope. I want that. I want it as a toy and I want it in real life too. This thing's pretty sick. Both these cars.
very tight in here. Dude, last year we got stuck here for like 2 hours, so I'm not sitting in the seat for 2 hours. My back is already killing me. I can't take that.
What do you do for a living?
Check it out.